Dusting and cleaning, the sparkling duo of home maintenance. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic that's essential for maintaining a neat and tidy living space: dusting and cleaning. Whether you're new to English or just looking to expand your vocabulary and understanding of household chores, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the meanings and differences between these two key activities. Dusting is the act of removing dust from surfaces around your home. Dust consists of tiny particles, including dirt, pollen, and dead skin cells, that accumulate on surfaces over time. When we dust, we use tools like a duster, microfiber cloths, or even a damp rag to gently wipe surfaces and lift away these particles. It's a crucial task to ensure your environment not only looks clean but also promotes better air quality. Dusting is often the first step in the cleaning process, preparing surfaces for deeper cleaning methods. Cleaning, on the other hand, is a broader term that encompasses various activities aimed at making spaces and objects hygienic and spotless. This includes washing, scrubbing, and disinfecting surfaces to remove dirt, germs, and stains. When we talk about cleaning, it involves a variety of tools and products, such as soap, cleaning sprays, sponges, and mops. Cleaning is not just about aesthetics. It's about maintaining a healthy living environment by getting rid of germs and contaminants that can harm your health. Understanding the difference between dusting and cleaning is important, but knowing how they complement each other is crucial for effective home maintenance. Typically, dusting should precede cleaning. First, remove the loose dust from surfaces. Then, follow up with a thorough cleaning to address any remaining dirt and germs. This two-step approach ensures a comprehensive clean, leaving your living space both sparkling and hygienic. We hope this video has shed some light on the distinct yet interconnected roles of dusting and cleaning in keeping your home tidy and healthy. Remember, regular dusting and cleaning are key to creating a pleasant and safe environment for you and your loved ones. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful tips and lessons in our next video. Stay clean and take care.